Here we go. What's going on, Excel fanatics? Verdexes here. Today we're going to take a quick break from the numbers and we're going to go into a more cosmetic tip for you in this video. So the way to do that, if you wanted to change the ribbon look, I guess you can call it, from right now the default is called colorful, but you can change this to dark mode. You can change it to, there's like a gray or just a white. So you have a few different options if you're interested in changing things up a little bit. So the way to do that is if you go over to File, Account, and in this area where it says the Office theme, like I said, it was colorful. Start with black. And it's a pretty good look. I don't know, I'm kind of a fan. I know it's not for everybody. So if you go ahead and, you do notice that the colors on the icons do stay the same, so that's obviously helpful. But if you wanted to change it up, the gray version actually isn't as intense. So if I go back to account, change the office theme back to dark gray. I like this look too. I think they both look pretty cool. And we can just check out the other two. I say two, but it was really just the one. So white and colorful, they may seem the same, but white actually just changes the ribbon. So notice up here was actually green before, and now this is all just white. Otherwise, it's pretty much the same thing. So what I think I'm going to do, though, I'm going to leave it on dark mode, because I think I'm awesome. So yeah, just keep in mind if you do this, this was done at the account level, remember? So it will make a change to your other Microsoft products. So for example, if I open up Word, it actually, hello. So maybe this isn't ideal for Word if you want to use it. So we can try actually, and you can do this in Word too, right? So if I go to File, Account, maybe I want to do dark gray instead. Dark gray might be a little bit better to use. And you notice how the Excel updated here as well. Alright, so hopefully this was kind of a fun video for you. It gives you a chance to kind of customize your Microsoft product in the way you want. You want to look cool at work, do your thing. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.